Hey students, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your shed onto a piece of paper and get it ready for printing right before we get ready to turn it in. First thing you want to do is open up your floor plan. Once you're on your floor plan, you're going to take these little bullet points or plot points and we're going to move them in. To do so, with your modify tool, you're going to click and make a box around each one of them. And I'm going to zoom in just a bit, and you're going to slide it in so it's nice and tight to your plan. I'm going to do the same thing here. Slide it in, make a box, slide it in, make a box, slide it in. I'm going to click on my button here. Once I do that, it tells my computer how close I need to be in order to print. Now I'm going to scroll down under my project browser and I'm going to go to my sheets. It says Sheets All. With my mouse, I'm going to right click and I'm going to add a new sheet. I'm going to go to my Load button and it will default for your computer, hopefully in that US Imperial folder. If it's not, go into the libraries, go into US Imperial. And when you're in this box, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and open up Title Blocks. I double clicked on that to open it. And this time I want you to load size B paper, which is 11.5 by 17. Click on it one time and open, or double click on it. Now that I have that loaded, I can click on OK. With my paper open, I can go back over to my project browser and I can click one time on my floor plan. From here, this is a little finicky. From here, I should be able to take my floor plan, click, hold, drag, and drop it in. Exactly what I want to do. Now that I have my floor plan in, I'm just going to click one time and I have the floor plan for my house. I'm going to do a File, Save As, and I'm going to save it as a project. I'm going to leave it Shed for editing, Revit, File, and then click on Save. That was a click on Save, in case you couldn't hear it over the binder.